today I am making my first salted pollock fish on the boat. I've never cooked this before, and I just read the directions, and it says that you need to soak it in water and drain the water and soak it and drain the water basically until all the salt is off. It's pretty salty fish. So I've done that, and I'm not sure if you can see, but it's down here. I'm gonna actually bring it up. So here it is. I've rinsed it a few times, and I've got my fish here. And I wanted to show what I go through when I'm cooking on the boat. I have to go through the propane, and let me see if you can see here. Hopefully you can see. So I have to go push this in, push it in, push it in. Nope, nothing. And then I'm like, oh my god, are we out of propane? Are we out of propane? Are we out of propane? And that's what I go through every time I have to cook. It's okay, it's okay. So, I wait a minute, I wait a minute, I wait a minute. You gotta push it in and then push this button. And then we have fire. We have fire. Voila. So I've already have my skillet ready. Put that on there. How I cook, I like to get the skillet hot, and then I put a little olive oil. Today we're limited on what we have. I don't have any fresh vegetables. We wanted broccoli, so I have corn, my favorite, but Ace doesn't really love it. He loves broccoli. And I'm gonna mix a little Parmesan cheese in with it. So this is how we get started. Like I said, I like to get the skillet really hot, and it's getting hot, and then I put a little of olive oil. Put that in, just a tiny, because my secret, and I don't know if anybody else does this, but I like at the end to put a little butter to make it a little crispy. So, and I don't know, I might put a little soy sauce today. La choy soy sauce. I don't know, it goes good with fish. And then I have some lime. Thank you to Magda at La Bavita restaurant. She gave me this today. So stir this around. Stir this around. It's about to get real in here. So it gets really hot. That's why I always have the window open. I usually have a fan on, but I don't want to cancel out the sound. So here we go. Here we go. I love the sizzle. I love the sizzle. Ace's been working so hard today. He's a hard worker, man. His back is hurting, so he deserves a good fish dinner. A good fish dinner. Hold up. Get a fork so I can position it all. I'm not gonna lie, I can't even tell if you guys can see me right now, but I wish you could see the fish, because it looks nice in here. This is the big one. This is the big piece. Whee! So, what I like to do, put it in there, season it with our adobo. Baby, how do I say it?
What?
Adobo?
Adobo.
Adobo. So I season it with the Puerto Rican. I say Puerto Rican because I've never seen the seasonings before in my life until I came to Puerto Rico. So we season it. We season it good. And I like to turn it up. Nope, it's turned up. Turn that up. Put the lid on it. Let it cook a little. And it's weird because I'm probably going to mix in the Parmesan cheese and then put all the corn on top and then mix it all together. I put a little soy sauce. I don't know, it sounds really good to me. And Ace will love it. So it's very keto-ish. Hi guys. So I'm finishing up, and what I did is I made the fish, and then I sprinkled some Parmesan cheese on top. I put a little bit of lime, and then I put my corn in. I'm gonna tell you right now, it smells delicious, and we're gonna have that with a Corona. We'll come back and let you know what Ace says about it, what I say about it actually, see how it tastes. I've never cooked it at all ever, or I mean even on the boat, but I mean ever even on land, like at the house. So we'll see how it tastes. So it looks good, smells good. We'll see. Bye. So guys. It's good if you like salt. My mistake, only because I've never made this before, I never prepared it, I've never cooked it.
It's so salty.
Do not put seasoning. Wow, my boyfriend's throwing. I gotta show what my boyfriend just did. What'd you just do, baby?
I didn't do anything.
Where is it? It's on the floor over there?
Nothing there, baby.
It's somewhere over on the floor. So, the thing is, my point is, can you see me, baby?
Yeah.
My point is, if it says salted Pollock, don't season it. So, not only did I season it extra, because we like seasoning, then I put Parmesan cheese on top of it. It has a little bit of like salt in it. So, but I'm gonna love it. I love it with Corona. Anyway.
I can't eat this. It's too salty.
He says it's too salty, but I'm gonna eat it. You guys, just don't put seasoning on top of it. I didn't know. I've never cooked this fish before, so you could say I'm fish out of water. That's a little humor. But you know what? It's good actually. This part. Good. On a taco with some guacamole and tomato and sour cream. The salt would like cancel everything out. So, and I love corn, so the corn would be good on a taco too. So, little peppers. Anyway. See ya. Okay. I'm done.
See you what?
Bye guys.